Hydroponics is the best method to start growing your garlic. An effective method for growing plants without soil in water or fertilizer solutions is hydroponics. This technique provides all the nutrients required for growth in a less space. Select the best cloves of garlic and plant them in the hydroponic system that best suits your requirements. Vermiculite, perlite, coco coir, and other media are all options. Keep the point slightly below the surface, looking upward. Adjust the pH and add the appropriate fertilizers to the water. A balanced nutrient solution containing calcium, magnesium, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients is necessary for garlic. Make sure the ventilation, lighting, and temperature are all ideal. At least 12 hours of light each day, ideally from artificial sources, are required for garlic. The optimal temperature range is between 40 and 60 degrees F with a moderate level of humidity. Insects and fungal illnesses can be avoided with ventilation. Growing can be challenging at first, but if you get the hang of things, it shouldn't be too difficult. To succeed, you must first ensure that you possess the requisite knowledge. Additionally, you should confirm that you are cultivating the appropriate type of this plant for your purposes and that you have the necessary tools. In conclusion, hydroponically growing garlic is not difficult, but it does require some patience. Continue reading if you think you can handle the challenge. Although there are several methods for growing garlic, hydroponics is generally regarded as the most effective approach. Plants can develop with greater efficiency and speed using this strategy than any other. Instead of being grown in soil, plants are raised in their nutrient-rich water, which makes them healthier and more disease-resistant. Constant fertilizing produces yields that are significantly higher than those of soil. Garlic also has all of these advantages. An excellent approach to acquiring fresh vegetables all year round is to grow it hydroponically. It may be used in practically any recipe and has numerous health advantages. Additionally, it's a great source of minerals like manganese, potassium, selenium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. However, once you get rolling, you may keep planting cloves from your current bulbs to produce an essentially self-sustaining crop. Although 6 to 8 hours will also do, this plant develops fastest with roughly 10 to 12 hours of grow lighting every day. Garlic does need periods of darkness, just like most other plants, so don't always have your grow lights on. It can withstand temperatures as low as 30 degrees and as high as 85 degrees once it is established, while more moderate temperatures will promote better bulb growth. This plant's inherent ability to repel pests is an additional advantage of cultivating it. Therefore, you won't have to worry about much because growing in an indoor hydroponic environment will automatically eliminate many of the regular pest and disease problems. You may have to keep an eye out for fungal diseases, like white rot, but if you can keep the bulbs somewhat raised, this should help. The exciting part is almost here: bulb harvesting. When more than half of the plant's leaves have turned brown or yellow, you can harvest your bulbs. Moreover, the tops can start to topple over. It's much easier to tell when harvest time is approaching because you can see the cloves without having to dig, unlike in a soil-based garden. The cloves will appear plump and full. The bulbs can be pulled up and hung for roughly 6 weeks to cure and dry. Perform this in a well-ventilated, shaded environment. The best bulbs can be saved for later planting, and the remaining ones will keep for several months so you can consume them. It's not difficult at all, but it does call for some additional tools and information. This article provided you with all the information you required. On to the gear. You can find everything you need by shopping at Amazon. Links in the description. There you have it, folks. Hydroponic indoor gardening is an exciting journey that opens up a world of possibilities for growing your own fresh, nutritious produce at home. With the right setup, a bit of knowledge, and some love for your plants, you can enjoy the rewards of a thriving hydroponic garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your hydroponic adventures with us in the comments below. Happy growing!